In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know the size of your image here in Canva. Now, if you're talking about the background, the canvas, well, that's very simple. We come up to File just here, and then we're going to see the size just here. Now, this is 1920 by 1080. But if you're on about actual images, there is a way we can do this. But we can only do it on our own uploaded images and not Canva's, and I'll show you that as well. But if we click onto the image, come to the three dots, then come down to Info, we then want to click on Details. So if I click on Details, then this is going to pop open on the left hand side, and if we look just here, we can see the size, the dimensions of this image, and this is 1920 by 1080. Now, this was just an image I put on this canvas, downloaded it, and back uploaded it, just so I can show you how to find the size of your image. But if we do it on a Canva image, we don't have that option. So if I click on here, come to the three dots, come to Info, we can see we don't have that detailed section, because again, it only works on images you've uploaded yourself and not Canva. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to know the size of your image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.